Rainforest Cafe today, guys. I haven't been to a Rainforest Cafe in over 10 years. The last one I went to was in downtown Disney. So, this is really, it's definitely a throwback. Definitely a throwback. This is going to be a bit of a mini vlog today. I just want to show you guys what Rainforest Cafe is like now. For those of you that don't know what it is, I will give a little breakdown in the video. Okay, so we're in Rainforest Cafe. For those of you that are not familiar with it, so what Rainforest Cafe is, it used to be really big in like the early 2000s. It's a rainforest themed restaurant. I believe like a certain amount of their proceeds go towards like helping wildlife, but there actually used to be one at downtown Disney. It used to be so popular that they used to have one at downtown Disney, California. They closed that one down. They closed a lot of them down. I think the only one left in California is right here at the Ontario Mills Mall, which is where we're at. So, we're sitting down. I want to show you guys the interior, because it's actually really funny. But I'm gonna show you. Again, rainforest themed, tons of animals. We're actually seated right underneath the night sky. A beautiful stars, a beautiful scenery. Again, guys, it's called the Rainforest Cafe. It's been over 10 years. It's been over 10 years since I've been to a Rainforest Cafe in general. So this is a very like surreal, nostalgic feel. But I'll show you what we get. It's gonna be a short vlog. We actually came to Ontario to pick something up, which I'll show at the end of the video. This is a show that they do every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes they have a little show that goes on. Then it goes back to normal, so all the lights are back on. But that's one of the fun things about Rainforest Cafe. Entertainment and food. You get the best of both worlds. I got the Rainforest cheeseburger. A little side of coconut shrimp. I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks really good. This looks really good. Do a little fry test. That's a solid French fry. That's a solid fry. It looks really nice. I'm genuinely excited to try this. Let's see how they do it in the rainforest. Let's see if the rainforest can make some good burgers. Thick burger. The grilled onions on here are really good. They're like thicker. It's like a thicker grilled onion. Oh yeah, it's good. Just a little update. Okay. I went into this thinking that the food was not going to be good. I'll be honest. But it's really good. I am genuinely surprised by how good the quality of the burger is and the fries. Burger is moist, juicy, thick. I think it's a fun experience. You also get a complimentary photo, like a little postcard. Right there. But I think if there's a Rainforest Cafe in your area and you have not been before, you should go. Because it's fun. It makes me feel like a kid again, which I think we can all understand to love. We just got done eating. I liked it a lot. I think I would come back here. I would recommend, if you've never been to Rainforest Cafe, try it. I think it's fun, it's family friendly, food is good. I mean, I'd recommend it, 1000%. So we're in Ontario. I think that's gonna be it for the day. We actually came here initially to pick something up. I'm gonna put it at the very end of the video. Thank you for coming. This was a little shorter one, but I appreciate you guys. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe. Peace.